Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
The government is giving us 33 rupees per day to feed 3 meals in 2024, whereas this rate was calculated in 2007. The second one is the government is paying us 6 rupees 67 paisa per day for medication, which is not viable, feasible and practical when you're looking after people with disabilities. We have been highlighting this issue with the Honorable Chief Minister right from last year. We met him in December, we met him in March, we met him in July, we met him in October. So something is not going right somewhere. Now there was IPHB strength is 190 beds and they have already 70 patients occupying the beds. Our strength is 180 and we have 80 patients who are actually supposed to live in IPHB who are staying with us. Now is IPHB spending 33 rupees a day to feed them and 6 rupees 67 paise to feed them? That is my question. 33 rupees per day food is not viable, feasible or possible, because 33 rupees was calculated in 2007. We are telling the government what you give us at 8%. Now they are saying yes, but what they have given us as of October is coming to only 2014 inflation rate. We are still 24 rate. Like I said, we'll wait for 2 days more. We'll have to bring everybody. If we don't get any favorable reply from the government or from the MLAs who have brought people and put in our homes, then either those MLAs will have to take their own constituents back and find some other home, and we'll have to reduce our strength. We'll have to say no. We'll have to put an ad in the papers and say we are not accepting any more people anymore. We can't manage. Have to come back during IFI time with 150 or 160 of our ladies and gents. We understand that yesterday they have said prohibitory orders in Panjim, but we will then go to the police station.